Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers and sisters. Welcome back to our channel where we delve into the beauty and wisdom of our faith. Today, we are excited to share a powerful dua that you can incorporate into your daily routine each morning. This dua is known for bringing protection, blessings, and an increase in rizq, inshallah. Before we dive into the dua itself, let's understand the significance of making dua every morning. In the fast-paced world we live in, starting your day with a prayer sets a positive pace. It's not just about asking for our needs, but aligning our intentions with seeking Allah's guidance. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, emphasized the importance of making dua at the start of the day for protection against the trials of life and to receive blessings in our provisions. It's about inviting Allah's mercy as you navigate through the challenges and opportunities of every new day. Studies show that regular spiritual practices have a profound effect on mental health and well-being, enabling a person to handle stress with greater resilience and clarity. This is a chance to not only protect your day, but enrich it. Let's now focus on the dua itself, which you can recite each morning. Bismillahi ladzi la yaduru ma'azmahai shayun fil rdwa la fi samai wa hua esamiu elalim. This means, in the name of Allah, with whose name nothing on earth or in heaven can cause harm, and He is the all-hearing, the all-knowing. Reciting this dua 3 times each morning, with conviction, can serve as a spiritual shield and reminder of Allah's protection over us. Incorporate this dua into your morning routine by adding it to your Fajr prayer, or as soon as you wake up. It could be a part of your morning commute, or while having your breakfast. Let the words resonate within, and allow them to permeate throughout your day, bringing a sense of peace and gratitude. And so, dear friends, as we conclude, may you be blessed with protection, peace, and prosperity for you and your loved ones. We encourage you to make this a regular part of your day. Do you have a morning routine that you follow for spiritual enrichment? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more content that lights up your path, and share with friends who would benefit from this beautiful practice. May your hearts be filled with peace and rizq be abundant in your lives.